Well, hey guys, and welcome to Winding Racing. Today we took another trip up to San Manuel, except today we are bringing home this 1976 Opel GT. This is going to be one of our projects. I have a daughter that's a senior in high school. She's going to be going to college next year, and this little beauty, as rough as it's looking right now, is going to be what she'll be driving. Now, in the old days, it looked a lot like the old Stingray Corvette, and they actually called this thing the poor man's Corvette. So it's going to be a fun little car to get running. It has no engine and no transmission in it, and I'm thinking I'm going to be looking for like a 1.8 Miata motor to stick in it. As you can see, it needs all new interior, everything. It's got a little bit of rust. So that's going to be a fun little project to get going, and it's going to be a great little car for my daughter to drive to school. So stay tuned, and you'll see a lot of mechanical and body work getting done on this little jewel here. But for today, there's my son there getting the compressor ready because we got some flat tires. So we're going to get this thing up on the camera, you can edit that, up on the trailer, and get it back to Tucson. So we'll see you in a little bit. Well, that went real easy. Got this beautiful little car up on the trailer and ready to head down the road. I don't know if you all saw the video when I came up here for Rally Bug, but oh, that was a pain. I was by myself and had a flat tire that wouldn't air up, so oh boy. Well, just go and watch the video. It was a chore to get that up here, but this one went beautifully. Rolled right up. All the tires are holding air. Now, we're going to go around to the other side of this house because we have a Jeep Cherokee that's going to be the next tow job for today. And it has a bad tire. But we brought a tire off of Frankenbuggy, and we're going to see if it'll fit and make that job easier. So it's going to be a day of hauling cars today. So we're on it. Huh, Bobby?
Yep.
All right. We'll see you around front. So this is our next job for the day, and as you can see, this tire is trashed. Has the same bolt pattern as Frankenbuggy, so we're pretty sure it'll be able to work. This tire we just air up. This side isn't too bad. Yeah, that door, I could not get that open. When I came for the seats that I put in Rally Bug, I had to crawl in through here. So anyways, this one is not going to go as easy as the Opel, but we'll get it done today. No problem. All right, so this is where we're at with the Jeep. We've got the jumper box on there.
That's all starter.
The wheel from Frankenbuggy didn't work, so when we get back to Tucson, we're going to be heading to the used tire place to get a tire put on the wheel. And we might end up pushing this thing onto a trailer. This thing did start and run before. It didn't have reverse. That's why we know it needs work, but now it's not starting. So the good thing is the road goes downhill. So we'll be able to get it rolling pretty good and get it up on that trailer. Anyways, guys, we're back to Tucson with the Opel.
Is it?
It's like...
Is it turning?
It's turning the fan belt. I mean, the fan belt's turning, so the motor must be turning.
Is this thing,
Doesn't seem like it has any compression or something.
yeah. I think we lost compression. Either way, we'll get it back to the house.
Whatever the case, it'll get back to Tucson today. Anyways, we'll see you as this day of adventure continues. Well, guys, we made it back. One down, one to go. Got to run up and get that Jeep now. Of course, we got to run to a used tire place first and have a tire put on it because that one is no good. I don't know why Turbo's limping. What are you limping for, buddy? Huh? What are you limping for? We'll get you fixed up. This is going to be a fun one to fix up, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Well, guys, success. The Jeep is no longer where it's been sitting for months now. And we got it on the back of the truck, or back of the trailer, connected to the truck. Never got it to run, so we had to push it up there. But it's ready to make its way back to Tucson. Very good.
Needs a lot of work.
It does need a lot of work. Anyways, guys, we'll see you when we get back to town. Well, guys, it's been a day. Here we have an empty trailer at the house. Now, come on back here and see all the projects we got for you guys to watch us work on. Looks like a yard full. We got the C10 project, which is going to be a race truck. Actually did a little bit of work on the cage yesterday. This hoop, when we first put it together, it went straight down, but the door bars would have been in a little far. So we put this extra bend in here. Got all that fabrication done yesterday. Black Betty here just needs to make it through emissions. And then we're going to leave the patina the way it is, but we'll be doing a clear coat on it. Rally Bug, another one that has to get through emissions, but it's going to get stripped all the way down, everything painted. This is going to be cherried out and an absolutely beautiful bug. Frankenbuggy here. You see, we need the front shocks still, but we also got a 2.0 Subaru motor that we're going to be building, turbocharged. This thing is going to be one badass desert car. Then, if you watch the golf cart get built, I was going to use this 200 Honda motor there, but we decided to go with this because I got a clutch on order to go ahead and how the golf cart works. But we got a clutch on that, kind of like a centrifugal clutch to drive this. This thing has reverse built into it, so keep it simple, just something to get around the pits on and be our push vehicle. We just brought this beauty down from San Manuel today, and we have an LT1 motor, fuel injected from the late 80s, that we're going to be building and putting this thing. And then the Opal. This is going to be a real fun car to build here. That's going to get out of a Miata. It's we're building it for my daughter, so it's going to be an automatic transmission, but a 1.8 Miata motor, and just all cherried out. Just interior, beautiful. We got to get AC for it, but yeah. So If you're into watching cars get built, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we've got plenty of work, plenty of content for you guys to watch. What do you think, Bobby?
Yep. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, and you'll enjoy us putting this stuff together for you. All right, take care and have a great evening.